Hello everyone, Lindsay Nova here. Hope you are ready for your practice today. Today we are going to do a Pilates flow, so grab your mat and let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start at the back edge of the mat, so you have the full mat out in front of you, feet underneath of the hips, everything in a nice parallel position. Feel everything stacked and just take a nice deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel all the air squeeze out of your lungs and knit the rib cage in together. Tailbone is in neutral, pointing straight down to the ground. And on your next breath in, we'll reach the arms up to the sky. And exhale, curl yourself down, glue the chin to the chest. Slowly start to roll yourself down, one vertebra at a time. And walk your hands out one at a time, come into a plank. And we're gonna walk right back up. So walk your hands in. Bend your knees if you need to. Inhale, roll yourself all the way up. Arms to the sky, breathe in. Exhale, navel to spine. Curl your head down. One bone at a time drops down. Walk your hands out, one at a time. Find that plank, hands under the shoulders, press back through your heels, wide out through your shoulder blades. Navel to spine. Walk the hands in. Inhale, roll yourself up. Arms to the sky. Exhale down. We're going to start to add some push-ups here. So we're going to take triceps Pilates push-ups. Walk your hands out one at a time. We'll inhale down. Exhale, press them out away. Lift your hips to the sky. Walk your hands in. And slowly curl yourself all the way back up. Again, inhale, arms up. Exhale, curl. 2 push-ups this time, so make sure that your elbows hug into the rib cage. All in one piece. Lower your knees if you need to modify. Hips come back up. And slowly roll yourself all the way up. One more set here. Nice and strong. Exhale. Rolling down. Okay, last one here. Inhale. Exhale. Rolling down. Walk yourself out one at a time. Inhale down. Exhale, press them out away. 2. Look forward, keep that head lifted. Last one. Good. And then bring your knees down to the mat and shift your hips over to the side. Okay, so next we're going to take the mermaid. So just swing your legs over to one side. It's okay if that hip is a little lifted off of the floor. Just try to sink it down. Reach your arms out nice and wide as you inhale. And then we'll stretch over the legs, open the side body, continue to sink those hips down and peek your eyes underneath of your arm for a little bit of daylight. Exhale completely. And now inhale up. And exhale over to the other side. The elbow may or may not drop down, but try to keep this hip pressing into the mat without lifting up. And again, look underneath the arm. And we'll flow. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more each way. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. And then we're going to bring the arms to a T, lift your chest, swing your legs around, find a tabletop position, and here's where the fun starts. So tap one toe down and then the other. Find a little smile, breathing in, breathing out, and a tap, and down, tap, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Those legs come up. We'll swing them to the other side without using the hands at all. And sink those hips down and stretch over to your legs. Inhale, empty the lungs completely as you exhale. And inhale coming up, exhale up and over to the other side. And we'll flow up and over, inhale, exhale, again, inhale, exhale. One more each way, breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. And those arms come all the way back up, and swing your legs around. Find that nice little boat again. And then we're just going to take the hands behind us. So if you need to adjust, go ahead. So the elbows come down onto the mat. We're going to take the can. So it's like we're in an old Busby Berkeley movie here. Heels are heavy. Squeeze those knees and twist your knees to the right, the left, the right. Kick it out and in. So we go 1, 2, 3, kick and bend again. 2, 3, out and in. Just last one like this. We're going to keep those legs out and then go across, finding those windshield wipers. And now we're going to make a circle. Inhale, use that exhale. Keep those toes glued together. Reverse that circle up and around again. Inhale, exhale. Last one here. Inhale, exhale, and bringing that up. Bring your feet down, knees wide, feet together, and just release into a butterfly. Release the back for a few moments here. And then slowly start to peel yourself up and bring your knees together. And then we'll come to lay all the way down on the back. So you can stretch your legs out, reach your arms nice and long as you inhale, and exhale, slowly begin to curl yourself down, one vertebra at a time, till you come to lay all the way on your back, and bend your knees into your chest. Give yourself a nice little squeeze. Okay, so we're going to take the lower lift. So for this exercise, you want to make sure that the lower back stays on the mat. So what I mean by this is when we lower the legs down, if we go below a 45-degree angle and the lower back starts to arch, then we've gone too far. So if you have any lower back issues, bring your hands under your hips for support, or just keep your arms by your sides. Okay, so we're going to take a few of these. Inhale down, exhale, lift it up. Breathing in, really feel the low belly fire on, and lift. Just one more like this, and then we're going to change it up. So make a little pizza wedge with your feet, heels together, toes apart. We're going to changement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lower down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold here. 2, 6, 7, 8. Lift it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and lower. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold it here, back into the floor. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay here. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Open. 1, 2. Open. 1, 2. Open. 1, 2. Open. 1, 2. And release here and stretch. Breathe. And bring those knees into your chest. Little hug, little squeeze. Circle your knees in one direction. Massage out your lower back. And then reverse that circle. Go the other way. And bring that back into your center. Bring your hands behind your head. Lift your head up. And extend out one leg. Twist in toward the bent knee as you exhale. Inhale, center, twist to the other side, exhale. And twist, and twist, and twist, and twist. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center, extend out those legs, scissor them, and reach that opposite arm across and pulse. 2, 3, and change, reach. 2, 3, and change, 1. 2, 3, and change. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, doubles. 1, 2, again. 2, 1, 2, singles. 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And release everything down. Breathing in, breathing out. And go ahead and give your Shins hug here, and we'll just rock forward and back a few times, rolling like a ball. Hold onto your ankles, round your spine. And then coming all the way up. And stretch your legs out in front of you, nice and long. Let's take the spine stretch forward. Reach your arms out. Make sure you feel your sitting bones. So if you don't feel your sitting bones, just roll your mat up a bit. And inhale, sit in a tall back chair. Exhale, curl your head down. Reach your arms forward. Slowly roll through your spine. Get a nice stretch. Inhale, peel yourself up. Exhale. Head initiates this movement. Use that exhale to roll down, pull the belly muscles in and back. Inhale, roll it up. Sitting as tall as you can, like a string, lifts your head to the sky, relax your shoulders. One more, exhale. Empty your lungs, stay here. Inhale, scoop the navel in. Exhale, pull it a little further, stretch a little deeper. And inhale, slowly rolling up. And exhale, release. All right, you guys, so that's our Pilates flow for today. I hope that you enjoyed that. Again, my name is Lindsay Nova. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and make sure you hit subscribe down below. See you later.